Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Nissan Titan tail light. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a 10mm socket and a ratchet to loosen the mounting bolts. A pair of pliers will be helpful for any small clips or to assist with the wiring harness. Additionally, a plastic trim tool can prevent scratches when gently prying the assembly. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Now let's get to the tail light itself. First, open your truck's tailgate to reveal the two main mounting bolts. These are typically 10mm bolts, so grab your socket and carefully remove them. Once the bolts are out, the tail light assembly is held by alignment pins. Gently but firmly pull the entire assembly straight backward, away from the truck's body, to release it from these pins. With the tail light assembly pulled free, it will still be connected by its electrical harness. Look underneath the rear of your truck, near the frame, to find where the main wiring harness connects. There's usually a square tab on the connector that you'll need to press to release it. You might also find a few zip ties or clips securing the harness to the frame. Carefully remove these to fully free the assembly. To reinstall, first feed the wiring harness for your new or repaired light through the opening in the truck's body and connect it, ensuring it clicks securely. Align the two locating pins on the back of the tail light assembly with their corresponding holes in the truck's body, then gently push the light firmly into place. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two 10mm mounting bolts. Don't forget to test your brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.